Hi, it's just a quick update on Project 2.2. As you can see, it's Tuesday afternoon, something past, what time is it? It's something past 2 o'clock, and I'm actually here alone. The guys actually left, the other guys left about an hour or so ago. Various reasons. Mads wasn't feeling particularly well, he's had a bit of a tummy bug. And then the other two guys, Nikos and Sandra, they decided that they wanted to work from home too. So they're at home now working on some design stuff. I've been talking a lot about colour schemes today. The colour scheme on the Blackbird website is going to be very, very simple. But of course there are still some decisions to make. So I'll update you, or we'll update you about those as soon as we've decided on a colour scheme. But I've actually been coding the front page all over again. Let me show you that. Here we go. It's what I've been doing for the last hour or so. So this is going to be the layout from the front page. Now ignore the grey areas. That's not going to be the colour of those areas. It's just so I can see where those areas are, where the different areas are defined on the page. But that's going to be the front page of the site. We got the company logo up here, which we're still messing about with. It's pretty much going to look like that, but we're kind of doing some subtle changes just to kind of make it fit in with the website a little bit more. And then over on this side we got the main navigation, which again is very, very simple. Got the home, which is this page. This is going to be the front page, the home page. And then we got our films, which is going to go into a page which is laid out in a similar way to this one, but of course you'll be able to go in and look at some films that Blackbird have made previously. Now they've made a lot of films. If you go to their existing website, there's a whole archive of the films that they've made. But we're actually going to cut down the content of the site, so when you go into the Our Films gallery on this site, there will be a choice of I think maybe 10, maximum 20 films that you can see that kind of show the entire kind of spectrum of the kind of films that Blackbird make. So we're kind of cutting down their show reels, so to speak, on their website a little bit, because they have an awful lot. They've got everything they've ever done on their website, and that's just a little bit confusing. So we're going to cut it down to maximum 20. And then of course we're going to have an About Us page, and that's actually that's over here. The layout for that is over here. As you can see, if you look at the page that we just, or if you remember the page we just looked at, you can kind of see the layout that we're going to have for the About page. The area over here, that's going to be a picture of Lars and Maya, and then that area there is going to be a little bit of kind of information about them and their company, their kind of vision and mission and stuff like that. And then this area over here with these very unsightly looking crosses, it's going to be a lot of company logos, because they've done an awful lot of work for some really prestigious companies like Footex and Siemens and a whole bunch of really cool companies. So that's going to kind of be their references section. And then of course we've got the standards from the other page. That's the top bar that I just showed you that I coded. And then of course we've got their contact details down the bottom. Those two bits are going to be on every page. But that'll be the contact page when you click in on that. Oh, blimey, it went dark. So what else can I tell you about this particular page? Well, here's the contact bar I was talking about. The details in there are all dummy details at the moment. And that'll be clickable links, and that will include their contact details, not just for their physical address, but of course on Skype and Twitter and Facebook and email, because they are on there. One of the things that I will be doing tomorrow is I have a meeting out at Blackbird, where I'll be talking to them a little bit about their social media strategy and some things that they can do just to kickstart them onto social media a little bit more. They are on there already, but they need to be on there a little bit more. This part of the page up here, updates, that will actually be some kind of RSS feed. It'll either be pulled in from their Twitter feed or a separate little blog that we're going to set up for them, either a Tumblr blog or a Posterous blog. We're going to use some PHP to kind of pull in an RSS feed, which of course will update itself whenever they post to Twitter or the blog or wherever we're going to pull that RSS feed from. This area over here, if I zoom out a little bit and go in, this is going to be a video. We're going to have videos. There's going to be about 20 videos in the kind of R Films gallery, but then what we're going to do is over a period of time kind of have rolling content on the front page. So this will be a video that you can see from the gallery, so to speak. There's going to be 20 films in the gallery, and then over a period of, let's say for example every 2 weeks, thanks to some funky PHP coding, this video will change. So you'll be able to kind of see one of the videos that they've made from the little archive that's going to be on the site, run on the front page of the site. So of course the idea of that is to kind of draw you into the main archive, but but that will be kind of rolling content there. That'll be a video that you can play, and it'll be one that's pulled from there, from the little archive, from the gallery page, and it will change over a period of time automatically. So that's where we're at the moment, really. Tomorrow we're doing some more design work. In fact, we want to pretty much get the design done by the end of this week, get everything finalized, and then we can get on with some really serious coding. There's a lot of JavaScript and PHP that we need to do to get the site really up and running. So yeah, that's an update for today, and see you later.